optical art. Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. I'm going to give you some key support and resistance levels to pay attention to. I'm also going to show you how I was able to predict this move down to the hour. So a lot of people that were trying to find out what was going to happen, all they had was resistance. There's a wick here, so this gave you a resistance level above. And then you had your support level here, a wick, and a wick. So this told you this was support. But it did not tell you when we'd have the break. Well, let me show you how using these charts I was able to predict down to the hour when that move would happen. I've been talking about this since February 19th, saying, look, this was our resistance and our support. It's a key support and resistance levels caught between outlined in blue. So again, we knew what pattern we were in way before anybody else. This was 23 hours ago. I said, look, this is your support, your resistance. And then, guys, something great about these patterns. Now, this is a continuation pattern. Typically, these break to the downside. But I was telling people to hedge, to create a long and a short at the same time. So no matter which way it goes. And again, because we knew what pattern we were in, we knew to expect a large move. So I said the safe way to play this, since the moves are getting smaller and smaller, I said enter a long with your stop below 39,750. And also enter a short with your stop above 40,195. So if it drops, your long gets stopped out and you're in profit. If it pushes up, your short gets stopped out and you're in profit. So again, that's what I was saying to do. I told everybody in Discord to do that. We killed it. I'll show you that too. And then I made another tweet, guys, 11 hours ago. So we're getting close to the apex. Next move expected in about 6 hours. You see we were getting really close to the tippy tip, and then we got a break as expected with that next candle. So guys, I'm going to show you how I created that chart. I'm going to show you how I found that point where we would break. But I just want to show you I am creating custom charts. I have an Ethereum chart and a Bitcoin chart that we can bring into the BitGet exchange. This also nailed the bottom right here. I mean, hit it to the tick and we pushed up. So I'm going to come back and we give you key support levels on these charts. But again, I just want to show you, so I'm using, these are the elements. I show you in a video how to trade on BitGet and how to get these elements into the BitGet exchange. I'll put a link up to that video now if you can check it out. But remember, I use BitGet because there's no KYC and there's no VPN. That makes me feel better about using it. Plus, I love the exchange. And we've been doing pretty well with it. But again, I am going to create more altcoin charts, so we have a lot of options. So this is in Discord. You can see some people played that long and short position at the same time and did very well. This person 100 times leveraged, 11% profit, 7.65% profit. This person shorted Ethereum, 498% profit. That is amazing. So we have a live trades channel. People share their trades. 101% profit, 25 times leverage, 29%, 20%, 93%. As the optical art said, I crushed it. Well, thank you. 21%. This person 29%. This is at Ethereum trade, 498% profit. 85%. 101 at 25 times. 28 times. This person did a lot of trades. 21% profit, 15%. 125% profit, 125 times leverage. Wow, short 125 times leverage, 595%. So guys, we've been killing it. Again, when you have the charts, you know where your support and resistance levels are. It just gives you an advantage other people don't have. So let me show you how I was able to find this pattern we were in advance. This is an M1 chart. I've talked about this before. This red line has been a lot of support and resistance. So I knew this would be support. Let me show you how this chart played out. This is published on January 27th. I'm going to hit play. So notice this is that red line. There's been a lot of support and resistance. And this chart right here, combining those two charts showed us the pattern we were in advance. Notice I have this yellow line outlining this purple fib channel line. So if we go to the actual, so this is a published version of this. So notice this purple line right here. This ends up being our resistance. Published this on February 5th. I'm going to hit play. And notice what happened. This is that purple line that was our resistance. So what I did was, I took this line that was our support, right? Copied this and pasted it into this chart. And that is how we got the pattern we were in. So if I zoom in on this, that's how we were able to nail this down to the hour. So this right here, let me do a trend line. So this right here was our resistance, right? And this was our support. Because with these wicks, they're all over the place. It's kind of hard to tell what pattern you're in, but we knew where our support level was. We knew where our resistance level was. And when the next candle opened, bam, we shot straight down. So I will give you key support and resistance levels, guys. So look, on this chart, currently, your resistance above to watch is 38,900. your support on this chart. Next support level is 37,300. Let's go back to this one chart real quick. So you can see your current support. We found support right here at 37,917. We are currently getting resistance right here at 38,378. When you see if we get above that, we'll continue down. And your next resistance above is right here at 38,833. And very strong resistance right here at 39,359. Let's go on to... This is the G1 chart. I can tell you if we drop, there's going to be a lot of support down here around 36,500 to this on the daily to potentially 36,250. You can see this red line has been a lot of support and resistance. This is what I called the top a while back. So again, that means that will be very, very strong support. So do pay attention to that. And remember what I said a couple videos back. I do believe at any point we break around 30,000 down to 28,563. I think that's when the capitulation begins. This is the H1 chart. You can see this was support. It broke around 40,000. Your next support level to watch on this chart is right here, 37,793. Again, always refer to different charts. Whichever support and resistance level is the closest, that's when you want to pay attention to. And if you do want to access these charts, guys, the website's opticalcrypto.com. Link will be pinned in the first comment description. And if you do want to use my BitGet affiliate link, that will be pinned in the first comment description as well. And I do have a message to a particular YouTuber that decided to delete and block comments and consistently says, well, we held the line. I got news for you. The line broke, bitch.